Here he goes. He wants to be on the linoleum. His left leg was the worst. Both of them were affected, but yeah. Oh my, they're fighting back there. You hear that? Are you saying meow? You don't want the dog food. Yeah, that's too hard for you to walk on, honey. But he's walking. Yep, and he can move that. He's got more control. Yep. Okay. Good job.
Take a fall or
yep.
hurt it again, you know.
Gonna go right over the dog food. Oh, Sammy. Come on. I think he's gonna poop in there. Don't!
Well.
Oh, he didn't. Uh-huh. You were aiming, weren't you? Silly boy. Okay, that's enough being a star.
Food smells like shit.